Imagine growing your wealth through real estate without the constant hustle. Welcome to the world of passive real estate. Real estate isn't just about hands-on management. Discover the power of passive investing. Passive investing empowers you to shape your financial future on your own terms. Explore various passive opportunities, REITs, rental properties, and more. Passive investing frees you from daily operations. Let's delve deeper into this transformative approach. Imagine more time, less stress, and diversified investments. Let's explore the benefits. Enter the world of REITs. Stability, diversification, and minimal risk. Buy and hold rental properties offer steady income and appreciation with minimal involvement. Turnkey rentals mean true relaxation. Let property management be your worry. Equity crowdfunding opens doors to premium properties with minimal entry costs. Benefits: time, freedom, diversification. Downsides: less control, potential ROI trade-offs. Reflect on your control preferences, experience, and available time. Whether hands on or hands off, passive real estate empowers your journey to financial success. Curious about passive real estate? Explore expert insights to make informed decisions. The realm of passive real estate awaits, where you mold your financial future your way. Invest smartly and embark on the path to financial freedom with Renters Warehouse.